In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop effect in DaVinci Resolve. This is a quick and easy way to give your clip a little more energy and movement, especially if you want something on screen to feel more dynamic, punchy, or attention-grabbing. The pop effect can work really well for short edits, social media videos, reaction moments, or anywhere you want a clip to stand out just a bit more without doing a lot of manual animation. To get started, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure the clip you want to edit is already placed on your timeline. Once you're ready, go up to the top left area of the interface and click on Effects. This will open the Effects panel where you can browse through different presets and tools that you can apply directly to your footage. After that, use the search bar in the Effects panel and type in Pop. Searching helps you find the effect much faster, especially if you're working in a larger library and don't want to scroll through everything manually. When the results appear, look for the effect called Pop Wobble. Once you find Pop Wobble, click on it and drag it directly onto the clip in your timeline that you want to affect. As soon as you drop it onto the clip, the effect will be applied. That's it! You've successfully added the pop effect to your video. If you want the result to feel right, it's always a good idea to play the clip back immediately after applying the effect. That way you can quickly check whether the timing and intensity fit the moment you're editing. This effect is usually most effective when used on clips that need a little extra emphasis, so it helps to keep it intentional rather than overusing it. Also, make sure you're dropping the effect onto the correct clip, especially if your timeline has multiple layers or several cuts placed close together. A small mistake there can make it seem like the effect didn't work, when it may have just been added to the wrong section, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can add a pop effect in DaVinci Resolve and make your edit feel more lively and polished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.